I'm going to be doing a person bag collection video. So collection videos used to be so popular like about 5 years ago on YouTube. I'm in the past, hello. I thought it would be fun to bring one back. What do you guys think? Like everyone used to always post like makeup collections or like lip gloss collection videos. I just thought it would be fun to kind of bring back the old roots of YouTube. Hey! So I'm just gonna go through all the bags that I own, say what brand they are, where I got them and such. I'm not gonna be like, this is a zipper, it's pink, it opens up like this, like hee hee hee. These are all the ones that I own on this bench right here. Let's start with the cupcake, because who wouldn't start with a freaking cupcake? So this is a little cupcake bag. It's so cute. It says Jing Pin. I got it at Urban Planet. So it looks like this. It's a little cute cupcake, and it still has the stuffing in it because I haven't used it because I'm like, why did I buy this? It's cute, but like, I feel like where would I wear it to? One day I'll wear it for the aesthetic because I'm like a 6-year-old. So hello. Okay, I have to be very careful with this one. I never take this out of the dust bag. So this is a Versace Palazzo bag, I think is what it's called. Me with the designer bag, I'm like scratching it. I think it actually is scratched on the nose there. I wore this out a few times. I really, really like this bag. It's so cute. This was like the first big designer purchase that I did because I just love the look of this bag so much. I really shouldn't be touching it with my greaseball hands, but oh well, I buy purses to use them. But I do keep it in the dust bag. Like the dust bag is like sitting right here. So everyone that's like cringing and saying I shouldn't have this, maybe I shouldn't have this, but you just tilt the head. Oh my god, I always think I'm gonna break it. And then you open it like this. There's like a dirty comb in there. Honestly, I'm not meant to have this shit. And I got this at the Versace store in Dallas, Texas. Love that. That is like my most prized bag right there. Okay, all the rest of them are like $3, so let's just go. Oh wait, I'm gonna show you guys the best bag out of all, and that is my bag. I actually made a bag. This is a mini bag. I have a few other mini backpacks here. I really enjoy mini bags. I also have one, but I don't know where it went. There's another mini bag that was kind of like the inspiration for this, and it's literally gone. I don't know what the hell. I designed this one. This is a cutie backpack because I love my cuties. You guys are my cuties. It's just a cute little hypebeast bag in my opinion. Like these are just adorable. And I got all my inspiration from like Doll's Kill as well. Not all of it, but some inspiration from Doll's Kill because I like the vibe. I like the little sayings that they have on things like cutie and like baby girl and stuff like that. And it just really fit with me. And the bright pink fuchsia bubblegum detailing and the little flowers here. There's lots of room in here. I obviously use this bag, so I'm using it right now. This is my current bag, and then you get a little pocket in here as well, and it does say pink sparkles right there. And this is by Eco Gear. I love their bags. I've been using this ever since I got it, and it's so good. The handles right here are super secure and padded so they don't hurt your shoulders, and it's a really good quality bag. And I put little pins here on here. Also, you guys, Eco Gear, we are dropping the price. We're reducing the price on this because it has been on sale for quite a while there. If you guys want to get it for a discounted price right now, it's only going to be $19.99. There is free shipping for the United States though. Me and my manager tried to get the shipping reduced for Canada, so I'm sorry about that. That's just what it costs from where they are to ship the bag. Because a lot of you guys in Canada want to buy the bag, so that's why we kind of came up with this to like drop the price, because some people are like, I don't really want to pay that kind of shipping. So the bag is going to be reduced. So it's going to be $19.99, 20 bucks. It's going to be a good $20 spend. I just want to say thank you guys for everyone that supported me on that bag. You guys are amazing, and I love you all so much. Okay, let's continue on. So this bag here, I don't even know. I got this at Value Village, I think. It's from Aldo, but like I didn't pay the Aldo price. I paid like, I think it was like $5.99 for this. When I want to seem like I'm like classy, because this is like real mink, like goodbye. No, it's not. It's a faux fur, and I'm gonna be like, oh, I'm so classy. Like I bought this at Aldo. No, I didn't. The thrift store. What? Okay, next. This is another one I bought at a thrift store. I like these kind of like cheapy little bags for if I go to a concert or if I'm going to like a fair or the exhibition or something like that, where I don't really care about the bag. Just a practical one, I guess is what I'm trying to say. A practical one. This is another one of those kinds of bags. This one's super dirty. I always bring this to the exhibition. This one's disgustingly dirty, actually. Ew! Oh my god, this is like a cesspool. We love that. I should actually throw this one away. It's just a little bag, perfect for like if I'm going on rides and stuff like that. I can just have it here and just have my phone in there. And this is another one of those kinds of bags. Oh, where did I get those ones? This one was also from a thrift store. And it is Aldo as well, so I think this was like $1. This one was from Urban Planet. This one was cheap too. Then this one is so adorable. This is one of my newest purchases. I got this at Doll's Kill. A unicorn skeleton, it's a uni-skelly. He's wearing the same outfit as me today, so I love him. And there's little bows on the ears. Has a lot of padding in it from his fluff. Even though he's a uni-skelly, he still ate some burgers. He's plump. What's this? Okay, this is from Ardennes, I think is what it's called. And I basically, whenever I go somewhere fancy, which is like never, but if I go to like a wedding or a wedding, I don't have like a cute purse. Like I see like everyone like has these like cute little satchel bags, and I'm like literally walking in with this. And I have like a nice dress on, and I'm just walking in with like a uni-skelly bag. So I needed something like this, so I didn't want to spend a lot, so I went to Ardennes, and I think it was like $10. And it looks like super expensive, especially from far away. I have like 25 cents in there. Yeah, it also has a mirror in it. Like what? So I can be like, I look ugly. Okay, this bag is so cute. Look at this bag. Look at this bag. It's Chip. It's Chip from Beauty and the Beast. You can hold him on his nose. I don't know if you like. Oh my god, my fingers stuck. Do you like that, Chip, or no? No, probably not. He doesn't like that. This is the cutest backpack bag. Is it a back? I don't know what it is. You just go like this and you have Chip hanging there on your titty. You just open his head like this. It's so gruesome. You hold him by his nose, you put him by your titty, and then you open his head up. Like, you can't really hold much. You probably couldn't even put your phone in there, but it's a cute bag, okay? Like, I couldn't just walk past this. It's probably meant for like a child that's like, oh, I want a purse, but like obviously they carry a sucker or a piece of gum. So their mom is like, okay, well, you can have this bag because you can just like have your gummy bears in there. It's not meant for like an adult, but I have this because it's adorable. I got this at Walmart, by the way. I haven't used it yet because it's very impractical, but it's adorable, okay? Here's a mini backpack. This is one that I take to the lake a lot. It's so tacky. These like are supposed to be like tassels, and it's like saran wrap. Like like hard saran wrap. It's like literally what my implant is made out of, is like hanging down here like all hard and crunchy. And I have a bunch of bobby pins just in there. I never bobby pin my hair. Like, why is that in there? I got this at Claire's in the little girl section. So if you guys like little kid stuff like me, and people make fun of you, like, oh well, who cares what they think? Like honestly, like Chip bags and Ardennes bags, and this is like, it's cute. So like, why care what people think? Like honestly, some people can be really mean, especially if I'm wearing like little kid bags. They'll be like, and I'm like, oh, and these little sequins fall. Oh, let's do this. This, if I'm not wearing my mini bag. By the way, the link is in the description for that mini bag if you do want to purchase it and support me. And you know, it's discounted price right now. You should go do that. If I'm not wearing that, this is like my everyday purse. I haven't worn this for quite a while though, just because I've been just loving that mini bag. But this one is my everyday one. This is a real Louis Vuitton. I don't even remember what it's called, but I did a whole unboxing on the vlog channel. I'll leave that video linked down below too, so you can see like how it came, if you care, if you want to know the name of it, because for some reason I'm like drawing a blank. I don't know, but I bought it actually at Louis Vuitton, and it's so cute. Like, I love this bag. I just love like big open bags where you can just like kind of throw everything in there. Grab this one. Ow, ow. This was my first designer bag that I purchased. This is my Michael Kors one in my city, and I think it was like $300. So it's not like, that's why I wanted to start with something like this, because it is an expensive bag, but it's not like thousands of dollars. So that's why I wanted to start with this for like an everyday bag. It's so cute. I wanted just like a plain basic-y one to start with, and I really like it. So I have this little pom-pom. I don't even know. I think this is from, oh, this is from Guess. It's adorable. It's a nice bag, honestly, with like the gum at the bottom there. It's so good. I like it. I don't know what kind these are, by the way. If you're like, oh, it's the LL2 Kiss Edition, like, I don't know. This is a Betsey Johnson bag. Adorable. This one is so adorable. I got this at Winners, so it was a discounted price. Oh, look at the inside. This is a really good purse, actually. There's a lot of room, a lot of pockets. This will go bag. Oh, this. I haven't used this. This is brand new. I want to wear this in the summer. So this is from Fashion Nova. And what it is it's a fanny pack, so the strap is still in there. Okay, then we have another Michael Kors bag, but this one I didn't get at Michael Kors. I did not pay Michael Kors price. I bought this at TJ Maxx or like a Marshalls or something like that when I visited the States. So it was a discount. I think it was like $40. Which is I think. I don't know. Someone's gonna like clock me on that because I haul like everything, so all you guys know already. It's a good size. Looks like that. This from like Claire's hanging off of it. It's like a big watermelon off of a designer bag. Whatever. Is this cute or no? I don't know. I feel like it's not cute. I got this at Aldo, and I thought it was like the nicest bag when I got it. I'm like, oh my god, it's like the cutest bag ever. It has like little patches all over it. I was like, in love with it. And now it's like so played out to me. I'm kind of over it. I see you! And then it says, oh, how punk. Okay, this bag is a unicorn! This is from LA Express, so that is Urban Planet. Clutch satchel thing. This is so cute. This is another just like little bag that I can travel with. That's a practical one. This is from Juicy Couture, but I got it at Kohl's in Minnesota. I got 2 Juicy Couture bags. I've used that one a lot. This one still has the tags on it. I got it like 4 years ago because I don't know, I think I love Juicy Couture, so I just got them both when I really should have just got the one. So this is also from Kohl's. This is another Juicy one. So Juicy Couture really doesn't make these bags anymore, and it makes me sad because I used to love these like Daydreamer bags, and they just don't make them anymore. I used to have so many, and I wish I would have kept them. I really do, but this one here, it just has like big pink bows on the side. Tassels, I don't remember where I got this. I think it was online at Juicy Couture. I could be wrong. Here, I just needed a carry-on bag when we were going on an airplane once. This is just like a cheapy one. I just needed a bigger carry-on from Urban Planet. It was like $5. Here's a fake Louis Vuitton. Honestly, I didn't even know this was in my closet still. I think I'm just gonna donate this because it's like trashed. It's so fake, and not only fake, like I don't care if it's fake, like hello, look at my tit. Dirty and like creased and like to the point where it's not cute anymore. So I think I'm just gonna donate that one. This here is an Ariana Grande bag. This is a really good carry-on one. Why don't I wear this for carry-on? So I got this with like a perfume or something. Or like, could have been a Nicki Minaj bag now that I think of it. It was a perfume at Shoppers. They do these things where like if you buy the Ariana Grande perfume, you get like some like special item or like Britney Spears or whatever. So this was either Nicki Minaj or Ariana Grande. This bag just kind of came with it. It doesn't say anything of that in there, but I know that that's what it was for. Okay, this one here was the Juicy Couture free bag. And I actually wore this for quite a while. It's another one that you can tell that I wore. I have these little like, what's on here? I'm too pretty to work. I have on here. I have a lipstick with rhinestones. This was free with purchase with a Juicy Couture perfume. I got this for Christmas from Dalton. Then I have, what the hell? This is just a tote bag from BeautyCon. Look, I went to BeautyCon one year. I was relevant. Okay, then this is my gym bag that I use when I go to the gym. Victoria's Secret pink bag. Okay, this is a EcoGear backpack. EcoGear is the same company that made my mini bag, so I want to try out their bags before. I went ahead and did an item with them, and I really enjoyed their quality of bag. So this is just like a basic light pink backpack. And then the very last bag I have here, there could be some other bags floating around in my house somewhere. So this is a Juicy Couture backpack. I love this bag. I bought online at Juicy Couture. The only thing I don't like about it is there's no like really secure closure. It's just a drawstring and then like this that doesn't really clasp that well, so you just basically have it open all the time. This is good for traveling. So those are all my bags and purses that I have to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. If you guys want to follow my social medias, they're all listed down below, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!